Viewer discretion is advised. We now return to Hotel TV, the station that makes you feel like you're in a hotel when you're not in a hotel. Have a romantic drink by the concourse fountain, or you can watch the big game at Shoppers Bar and Grill, where they'll be pouring till 2 a.m. Or maybe you're in the mood for something a little more exotic. Try Jose Gato's Brazilian Steakhouse with rooftop views plus a fine selection of blended rum drinks. At the end of the night, you won't want to save one lunch, and you won't have to, because Choppers is open, where they're pouring till 2 a.m. We go to Choppers?
We go to Choppers.
Tragedy struck Haiti today as the island nation was rocked by a major earthquake, leaving thousands dead and injured. Coming up, local newsman shows a camera operator how to center a shot. There we go. There's Tom. There's the star.
Oh my god, that is terrible. We gotta do something about this. Don't worry, girl. Hey, you should relax. Occasions job prepare. I'm always telling that there was a situation, but this time it will be a prime one, and I'm gonna start a blender. Well, it is good for you, girl. You made a local hero.
Yes. Although, one of us should probably warn everyone, that the British are coming. Not me. I want to fight. Oh, shoot, I've got the horse. But if anyone else wants to go, I'll go. No one? All right. I'll make sure everyone remembers your names.
Well, girl, you seem to like it, right? Yeah, I really do. Except for that mistake, bruh. Get out of here, man. You're making that feel.
Oh, look, an empty tire with some water in it. All right, I'm happy again.
I'm gonna go ahead and thank you for donating blood today.
Donating? I thought we were getting paid.
Even everyone else here is donating.
Griffin, everybody else here is donating. Oh, don't worry, he's just donating. Do you? Alright, but if I still donate, he'll donate it. Get in here. Yes. Yeah, sorry. Girl, mommy. Willie, what is going on? He's been asleep. I can't sleep right now. She's busy with the blood drive. Maybe I can help you. Let's call up at that Joyce. Joyce used to be a curate, but after a month in cafeteria, all she used to wait for few. A lot of them to make. 20 years, $1 million of Zoom. Later, he died. Okay, I had enough. Hey, I'll go get something that'll help you sleep. Wait here. Okay. I'm tired of everything. Counting cheat. Let's go.
Okay,
I'll give you a tiny bit of this. It should help you sleep. What is it? It's cough syrup, but it's not really good for kids, but I'll give you some. This is what little weeds keeps almost dying from.
This
is so relaxing, man. I get used to it. At the rag I used to they would do doctors. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna have to grab a little cheese bowl. Anybody needs me, just find me in the living room, please. It'll be really dogged over. Well, girl, looks like I'm done giving pay up. It's too very drive. You're a lucky. Griffin, knock it off, man. It's like we did the parents when we done with it. Cookie? Yes. The cookies for everyone over there.